loves, today I'll be doing this berry rose gold makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys love it because I loved it and a lot of you guys did too. So let's just get started. So today I'll be using my Blushing Berries by Dose of Colors. You guys know I love Dose of Colors, and the first color I'll be applying on my crease is called Roseberry, and the brush I'm using to apply this color is the Morphe M441 brush. The next color I'll be applying on my crease is called Berry Pop, and I'm using the Morphe M433 to apply this on my crease. This eyeshadow reminds me a lot of the Renaissance palette. Not the Renaissance palette, but the eyeshadow that's in the Renaissance palette called Love Letter is exactly the same. I do go back with the Morphe M441 just to make sure everything is well blended out. This is the second time I'll be using a black eyeshadow. I know, right? It's very, very weird, but this eyeshadow is called Berry Black, and I'm just applying a tiny bit of this eyeshadow on the crease with the same brush I use to apply Berry Pop. And I'm just gonna apply this on the crease just for now, but I will be going back with a smaller brush once I finish cutting the crease and everything, but I'll get to that point in a little bit. The next step I'm doing is cutting my crease, and I always do this. I never do like a full cut crease because I find it pretty hard for me. I don't know why, but I always do a half cut crease because I feel like it's better and it's so much easier. So now I am setting my eyelids with some powder, some translucent powder, or any white eyeshadow you have around any palette. You could use that. This is where I'm going back with the black eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it with this tiny little brush that came inside the palette, of course, and I'm just going on top of where I cut the crease just to make it more darker. And I did this at last because I find it easier to do. I'm going in with the second color I applied on my crease, which is called Berry Pop, and I'm just applying this on the outer V of my eye. The glitter I'll be using today is by Stila Cosmetics, and I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of these. These are the liquid eyeshadow, and this one is in the shade, in the color Rose Gold Retro. I'll be also applying more of that Berry Black eyeshadow on the outer V of my eye just to make it a little bit more darker, because I really wanted this, like the rose gold eyeshadow, to stand out. So I decided to add more on the outer V. The lashes I'll be using for today's look are by Creative Soul Cosmetics, and these are in the style Inspired. As you could tell, I did apply mascara and I also applied some eyeliner on my waterline. And now I'm going in with this eyeshadow from the Renaissance palette called Vermeer, and I'm just highlighting my brow bone, as well as I'm going to be applying the same eyeshadow on the inner corners of my eye. Once I finish doing that, this look is all complete. I really hope you guys loved it. Wait, stop what you're doing and give this video a huge thumbs up because I want to see how many of you liked it. Make sure to also make sure to also leave me a comment down below because you guys know I love reading your comments. I love you guys, and I will see you guys on my next video.